All right, y'all, had to make this video. Power is out. West side Detroit, pretty much. As you can see, from Greenfield all the way down to where I'm at, I'm on Wyoming right now. But yeah, got hit with a storm. Trees and stuff filled. It was crazy mad. But all down that way was no power. I started to I had to drive. I couldn't really just be trying to hold the camera driving in the dark. But now, you know, this part has light. But yeah, that storm did its thing yesterday. It's a lot of area that's knocked out. We got more rain coming, as you can see. A lot of these lights are still out. I don't trust, no, because you know some people don't know how to drive. I didn't think it was going to be a long stretch. That's why I didn't record when I first started seeing it. But yeah, that storm kicked ass yesterday in Detroit. Now this is Illinois. You know, Illinois stay lit. They got some of these buildings to have power generators, but the majority of businesses, a lot of black businesses on Illinois. But as you can see, no street lights. This Illinois. Like I said, some of these stores have generators. Majority of Illinois, West Side, Detroit. Coming up to 8 Mile. All right, hopefully the power be back on everywhere. Oh yeah. It looked like a lot of the east has lost power. On 8 Mile, y'all. East side. Yeah, a lot of east side lost power. It's crazy. Damn. Ooh, almost hit that branch. The big blackout that hit Detroit, pretty much east-west side. 8 Mile, baby.